Hello, good morning. You're welcome to my Yoruba class. I will be doing this for a long period of time, and I love you to invite your friends who would be interested in learning Yoruba language. We'll be going through every aspect of Yoruba, the culture, the language, how to speak, how to read, how to write. So if you need something important to learn about Yoruba language generally, this is the right place to come. Yoruba Media. So today I want to teach you the alphabet of Yoruba. Ohun tí a fẹ́ ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò rẹ̀ lónìí ni álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yoruba. So let me take you through this. Álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yoruba: A, B, D, E, F, G, B, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, W, Y. I'll take that again. A, B, D, E, F, G, B, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, W, Y. So let's look at some words where we can find the occurrence of this Yoruba alphabet. A, Aja. Aja is known as dog in English. A, Aja. B, Bata. Bata is known as shoe in English. D, Dodo. Dodo is plantain in English. E, Ede. Ede is crayfish in English. E, Eja. Eja is fish in English. Fi, Fila. Fila is cap in English. Gi, Gele. Gele is headgear in English. Bi, Gbangba. Gbangba. Bi, Gbangba. Gbangba is an open place in English. I, Hale. Hale. Hale means threaten in English. I, Ile. So the difference between this he and he is what we know as the H factor in English language. This one is thicker than this. He, 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 he. So we have Ale, threaten. He, Ile. Ile is known as house in English. Ji, Jagun, Jagun. Jagun, Jagun. Jagun, Jagun is known as warrior in English. Ki, Kiniun. Kiniun. Kiniun is known as lion in English. Li, Labalaba. That is butterfly in English. Mi, Maalu. Maalu. That is cow in English. Ni is Naira. Naira, which is known as Naira in English. O, Odo. Odo is mortar in English. Owo. Owo is known as hand in English. Pali. Pali is known as carton in English. Rakumi. Rakumi is known as camel in English. Salubata. Salubata is known as slippers in English. Shibi. Take note of the difference we have between she, and she. See, she, see, she. For better understanding, one has this sound, just the ordinary S, and one has H, sh, as in sh. That's why we have see, she. Torí náà a kò gbọdọ̀ pe ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ní síbí tí ẹ bá ṣe àwọn tó wá láti Ìbàdàn, wọ́n máa pe ṣíbí ní síbí. Ṣùgbọ́n nínú Yorùbá àjùmọ̀lò, ṣíbí ni ó tọ̀nà láti pe ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ṣíbí is what we know as spoon in English. Tí, tata, tata is grasshopper in English. Hu, hule. We have a steric sign here because usually in Yoruba language, this alphabet doesn't start a word. Hu kì í sábà bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ kankan nínú èdè Yorùbá. Ìdí tí a fi wá rí ulé níbí ni pé a ní àwọn ẹ̀ka èdè tí ó ń lo hu láti fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn Oǹdó bí àpẹẹrẹ, tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ sọ pé ilé, wọ́n sọ pé ulé. Tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ sọ pé ìwé, wọ́n sọ pé ìwé. Ìdí nìyí tí a fi rí hu tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ níbí yìí. Hule, that is known as house in English, house. Wí, ó dúró fún wàhálà. Wàhálà is known as trouble in English. Yí, yànmù, 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 yànmù. Yànmù, yànmù is known as mosquito in English language. I bet you didn't know that before. Okay, so that's it about Yoruba alphabets. Let me take a recap. A, B, D, E, F, G, B, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Ş, T, U, W, Y. Ìgbà tí wọ́n kọ́ wa ní ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá ní kékeré, a máa ń sọ di orin tá máa kọ tá máa lùlù sí. A lè ṣe A, B, D, E, F, G, B, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Ş, T, U, W, Y. So you can also do that as many times as possible to get more familiar with the Yoruba alphabet. Now, before I go, there's a difference between the Yoruba alphabet and English alphabet. The difference is that in English alphabet, most of the times you might not get to pronounce the alphabet just as they are written. For instance, the C alphabet in English is most of the times not pronounced as C. You pronounce it as K, this, which will be key in Yoruba language. Another example is this P. Is not sometimes you see this in English and you might not actually get to pronounce it. For instance, you can have a word like phone. Phone. Okay? Phone. This P, it should have been pronounced phone, but it is pronounced phone. It is not like that in Yoruba language. Nínú èdè Yorùbá, bí a bá ṣe kọ álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì gẹ́lẹ́ ni a ṣe pè wọ́n. A ni ó mọ̀ jẹ́. B ni ó mọ̀ jẹ́. Ṣùgbọ́n nínú èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, tá bá rí A, tá wá kọ AWAY. Àwọn olóyìnbó sọ fún wa pé bó ṣe tọ̀nà láti pe ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ni away. Ìgbà tá kọ A níbí, tá wá sọ pé ẹ ló yẹ ká pè. Ẹ sì kọ́ wa pé A for apple. Ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ mi yé yín? A for apple, ó yẹ ká sọ pé A for apple, àbí? Ṣùgbọ́n nínú èdè Yorùbá kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Bá bá ṣe kọ ọ̀rọ̀ gẹ́lẹ́, bá bá ṣe kọ álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì gẹ́lẹ́ ni ó ṣe máa wà nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tí a bá ti fẹ́ pè wọ́n. So this will be the end of the class today. I hope you actually learned some important things. So tell your friends, tell everybody around you, I teach Yoruba, and I'm going to teach you almost everything you need to know about the Yoruba language, the culture, the traditions, the language itself, how to read, how to write, and how to speak. Wàá máa kọ́ yín bí a ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀, bí a ṣe ń kọ ọ̀rọ̀, àti bí a ṣe ń ka ọ̀rọ̀ nínú èdè Yorùbá. Yàtọ̀ sí àwọn nǹkan yìí, màá máa kọ́ yín ní ohun tí ó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú àṣà Yorùbá o, àwọn ìṣẹ̀ṣe Yorùbá o, àwọn ohun tó ṣe pàtàkì láti mọ̀ nípa àwọn Yorùbá lápapọ̀.